Hey everybody, Country Mouse here, and today we're going to do our Boxycharm. Now this is a $21 a month subscription. I believe there's taxes on this one too. Depending on what state you are, you'll find out what your taxes are going to be. It is monthly. If you want to know any more about it, I do have a link right down there in my description. As soon as you open up the description, it'll be right there if you would like to check it out. And this box was top notch. But I think I'm going to have to go and say it's number 2 compared to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For me, I don't know about anybody else, but for me, that's... Sorry, Boxy, you're at number 2 for me. Alright, so we're going to get into this, and the first thing I have in here is the No Poreblem Primer by Touch and Soul, and I have used this twice now, and it's either this or the foundation I have just tried out, but it's been breaking me out badly. And I hear that I'm not the only one. It's not a bad feeling of a primer, but to me, it feels like it has like some kind of like moisturizing, oily feel to it. I'm more of a Smashbox pore minimizer in the purple little package. I like that texture better. It sits better on my skin. This is, okay. If this is what's causing me to break out, it's going bye-byes. But there are people that love this, so I'm glad somebody can love it. And this cost $18. So we already have that on our face today. I'm not seeing no difference. I'm not seeing any pores blurred or anything else. It's kind of like using Benefits Professional in my book. Somebody else might have a different opinion about it out there. That's fine. Alright, and we have Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I will give this a try. This retails for $22. Now the last Farmacy thing we had, which was in like a little tub of stuff, it broke me out. My skin just like hated it. But we will give it a try and see if we can, if that one works, then good. If it doesn't, I'll have to pass it on to somebody I know, because I will be testing it out. Alright, so we've got a pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan 126 Glow Up Highlighter. Looks a little dark for a highlighter, but... we'll do this. That looks like it's got glitter flakes in it too. Glitter just does not go on my face very well. And no, I'm not sick, I promise. And that face mask I used this morning really gave me some good glow. Too much sheen, too much glitter. I like a very neutral, natural looking highlight. So yeah, that's not happening for me. I think that's the one somebody said it looked like they rubbed brown poop on their face, but that don't look brown to me. Maybe there was another color going on there. Anybody else get a different color? Alright, the next thing we have in here is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Now this is a big time going around, a lot of people loving, and I remember using this as a sample size, and I don't remember, I think I got it full size somewhere, but it's never been opened, and this retails for $24. If you haven't seen this done, we're going to go ahead and get it over with, because it's one of the things I'm missing from my look today is mascara. I don't mind the eyeliner. My eyes are watering real bad, so it is everywhere. That look any better? Alright. Oh, I remember. This big brush is not very good for bottom lashes. And the last thing we have in the box is Trestique. It's a Prime Plus Glaze Lip Crown, and it retails for $25. And this is in English Rose. See, I remember about March of 2017 getting my first Trestique lippy and being like, oh, it's out of the container. There's no lid. That is the lid. Oh, that's weird. Don't smell weird. Nice magnetic closure. There's your balm. Twist up. Oh, there's a good bit in there. Don't smell weird or anything. So what am I supposed to do? It says to put the balm on first. Okay. And we have this weird shaped lippy. In that color. Let's see what we can do here. Because I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Anybody else getting those windstorms? We had them all weekend. And it still sounds like somebody's beating the crap out of my front porch with the wind blowing. Okay, that's a pretty color. It does have... It looks patchy in certain places, but it's not. Okay. I like it. I don't think I like how that tip is, but okay. I like it. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't feel like it's getting everywhere. Very lightweight. I don't have none on my teeth, so we're good. What else did anybody else get in their Boxycharm? Did you get something different? You know, I always like to see the variations or find out the variations, and usually I have to go back in old emails to see what variations there were from my subscription addiction. I keep all those emails that she sends out so I can go back at the end of the month and be able to look. This is why I'm saying Boxycharm is kind of number 2. I know a lot of people did not want any more eyeshadow palettes. I understand that. I'm overrun with a lot of stuff, especially skincare. I have at least 3 years worth of skincare. And that's if I really use the crap out of those products. Probably about 6 to 10 years. But sometimes we can get overrun. Well, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to Boxycharm and you want to check it out, check out my link down below. You can use it or not. I believe it does give a discount. And if you're new completely to my channel, let me know down below. Just say, hi, I'm new. And this way I can come down there and welcome you, and we can build a YouTube friendship that some of my friendships have actually sprouted outside of YouTube too. But I will see everybody later. Take care of yourselves. Stay clear from the windstorms, and love you. Bye.